Hi Max, it's Christian. Your next meeting is in 2 hours, so you can take an hour break.
Okay, Christian. Bye.
What would you like to do?
There's something I want to check out real quick.
Okay, you were just going to check it out, right? Excuse me, Mr. Verstappen. You know your schedule is full today. Why don't you just get some rest here? Can you hear me? No, let's go to a cafe nearby and take a break!
Corner grip, amazing recovery and surprising acceleration. Wait.
Can you hear me?
Yep. Please hurry.
Okay.
No, that's not what I meant.
How's my time?
No more time.
No, my lap time.
What? I'm not recording lap times. Okay, I'll do it. That's a lap record. Another record. Another fastest lap. You're unstoppable. I mean, please stop after the next lap. Finishing with your greatest lap. No, you have to stop now.
Come on, let's go!
I'll take the Type R instead. I'll get there faster.